Alright, you are welcome back to our continuation of our maintenance class in physics. A force of 10 Newton is applied to a spring of elastic spring, a spring constant of 200 Newton per meter, and calculate the energy stored in the spring. Then you have this option. This is also a UTM question. So in a question like this, the first thing to do is to write out the parameters you are given. So don't forget to do that thing. Solution and underline this twice. You write out the parameters. Then you ask yourself which formula, what actually am I told to found? Calculate the energy stored in the spring. Calculate this energy stored in the spring. Here we have the formula for energy stored. We have two formula. Formula 1 over 2 Fe. This is another formula, 1/2 multiplied by Ke squared. So now you start writing out the ingredients you are given. Now, a force of 10 Newton, force F is equal to 10 Newton. It means I'm given F. So what again? Elastic constant of 200 Newton per meter. K, that is 200 Newton per meter. So you can see, calculate the energy stored. So the question did not say anything about the extension. So now, looking at the two formula, you see that the extension is very, very important. You need it. Formula 1/2 Fe, you need extension. Formula 2/2 Ke squared, you still need extension. So it means you need to look for ways by which you calculate the extension. How do you then do that? You go back to your Hooke's law formula. So which says F is equal to Ke, that is Hooke's law. Hooke's law, which says that the amount of force that causes a distortion in an elastic material is directly proportional to the extension made. So mathematically it represented like this. F is equal to Ke, making your E as the subject of the formula. So let me use this place. E is equal to F over K. When you do that very well, your F is what? 10 over 200, and that will be 1 over 20. So as a smart student, you can just leave it like this. Since you have not gotten to your final destination, then successfully you can pick any of these formula and get your answer. So let's pick this one. F of U is equal to 1 over 2 Fe. It means how is the 1 over 2 multiplied by what is your F? Your F is 10 multiplied by what is my E? My E is 1 over 20. So this over 1 so that everything rhymes along. 1, this 0 here, cancel here. So then we have a 1 over 4. 1 over 4, so that is when you do that very well, you are going to get 0.25 joule. And then option B is your correct answer. If you try this, so the second formula also, you are still going to get the same answer. Let's try that. W is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by your K is 200 multiplied by E squared, that is 1 over 20 multiplied by 1 over 20 again. 0 cancels 0 here, 0 cancels 0 here. So, and then 2 here, 1, and at the end of the day, you are left with a 1 over 4, which also equates to 0.25 joule. So 0.25 joule. So with the former answer that we got. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video.